Arvind's ground gecko, new bent-toed gecko species. A group of researchers has recently discovered a new species of bent-toed gecko from the Agasthyamali Hills in the Western Ghats. Key points. Aravind as Arvind's ground gecko. The new species has been described based on its distinctness in the morphological and molecular DNA data. Its scientific name is Cyrtodactylus aravindi. It is distinguished from all species of the Cyrtodactylus caligalensis species complex in color pattern and resembles the Sri Lankan endemic C. yacuna in overall coloration. Currently, Arvind's ground gecko has so far been found only at 2 locations, Muppandal and Thukalay, in Kanyakumari district falling within the Agasthyamali Biosphere Reserve in Tamil Nadu. About geckos. Geckos are reptiles, that are found on all continents except Antarctica. These colorful lizards have adapted to habitats ranging from rainforests, deserts, to cold mountain slopes. Most of the geckos are nocturnal, i.e., they are active at night. However, day geckos are active during the day. Fruits, flower nectar, insects, they depend on. What is unique about gecko? Geckos are unique among lizards. They are unique for their vocalization. They use chirping and clicking sounds for their social interactions. They make hissing sounds when threatened or alarmed. Family of geckos. Geckos are spread across 6 families, namely Carphodactylidae, Diplodactylidae, Gecconidae, Eublephaриdae, Spherodactylidae and Phylodactylidae. Species of gecko in India. Indian golden gecko, belonging to family Gecconidae, is native to India states of Tamil Nadu, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh. It is listed in Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act. Tokay gecko belonging to family Gecconidae is widespread in Indo-Malayan region. It is a Schedule 4 species of Wildlife Protection Act and least concern.